You know how all your life your parents buy everything for you, do everything for you, pretty much until you're an adult, and then continue to do all these things? Well, I thought it's about time I give back to my mum because she's been so brilliant. So we went and bought her a car as a surprise. She has no idea. And we're just going to fix it up, clean it up, and then surprise her with it. So it's going to be awesome. Mum, we don't tell you this often enough, but we really love you. You are such an important person in our lives, and we appreciate everything that you do for us. Thank you for all the sacrifices you've made, and please know that they don't go unnoticed. This car is a little gesture to say thank you for being such an amazing mum. We love you endlessly. Come out the front and wait. Yeah. I'll be here shortly.
So I can get you on the car tomorrow?
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I think this is him.
Have you paid for him yet?
Yeah, paid for. Oh shit, that's Jeffro.
It's two.
Shit.
New car.
Go and see what he wants.
New car. It's not the car this.
Yeah, it's a nice one. I think I just stole it.
Did ya?
Did I? Don't even look.
You're gonna buy it.
Hey? Oh, no, I'm thinking about it. Oh, look at that letter on there. It smells heaps of fresh. The steering wheel's,
Why have it got 2 months?
I don't know. Great.
What's it say?
Oh, it's alright. It goes, man, I went for a little drive.
Did ya?
Yeah. It's Mocha.
We got your new car.
Really?
Yeah. It's yours.
Are you serious?
I swear to God. Not kidding.
What do you do about it?
We got it. We've had it for the last week. We've been fixing it up for you.
It's yours, Mel.
Bye.
Swear to God.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, really? Is that mine?
Jump in, go for a drive.
I haven't got my bag. Go
Where
get
is
the
it?
bag, please. Inside.
Do you love it?
I love it. I can't believe it.
No, you're right. You go for a lap. See how you like it. I'll go with the after. Isn't it in there? Yeah, it's in there. It's in there. It just hasn't got anything hanging on it. Yeah.
It's got bags.
I love it.
I would.
Is it awesome?